In this video, I'm going to show you how to add keywords in Adobe Bridge. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Window up top, and you want to click on Keywords to actually enable the keyword window. So whenever you do this, there's going to be a check mark next to keywords, and you'll be able to see them down here at the bottom right. You can also extend this and make it bigger by basically clicking here in the middle, and you can just go and drag it up like that, and there we go, that's it. The first part is done. Now, what you have to do is, of course, select which image you want to assign keywords to. I'm going to use this first one over here, which as you can see has some keywords already. So I'm going to click on the second one rather. There we go. And then to actually add the keywords, what you want to do is either click on any of the existing ones, so the check marks like this, or you can add your own by going down here to the bottom right. So if it's not showing for you, you can just extend this a bit. There we go. And as you can see, there's going to be a plus button at the bottom right. So just click on the plus new keyword and you can name it whatever. So I'm going to name this one, for example, nature right now. I'm going to press the enter key and there we go. It's going to be added as a new keyword. You can then click on it to check mark it and it's going to add the keyword to your image, and you could also add new ones. So if you want new ones like that, you could go and create it as a new keyword. So it's going to be like a separate new keyword, not as a sub keyword inside a category. So I could do over here, for example, green like that. Okay, that works. And of course, if you want subcategories, you could go and press this button to add a new sub keyword, and you can type in whatever you want. So for example, in here, I'm going to do forest. I'm going to do, for example, like landscape, whatever. Okay, so whenever you do this, you can then go ahead and make as many subcategories as you want, and you can go ahead and customize the sub keywords and add them here onto your images. Okay, so that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.